First Global AI UN Resolution. The UN General Assembly passed a groundbreaking AI resolution to support safe and ethical AI development worldwide. The 193 UN member states unanimously endorsed the resolution, co-sponsored by over 120 countries, on March 21. First time UN sets worldwide AI norms and rules. The 8-page resolution demands for safe, secure, and trustworthy AI systems that respect human rights and freedoms. It warns member states and others against using AI that violates human rights. Resolution highlights include raising awareness of AI's pros and cons, enhancing AI R&D investments and capabilities, privacy and transparency in AI systems, addressing AI dataset and algorithm diversity and prejudice. The resolution invites nations to create ethical AI development and use policies, protections, and standards. It requests technical aid from UN agencies for needy nations. The resolution adopted today lays out a comprehensive vision for how countries should respond to the opportunities and challenges of AI, said U.S. National Security Advisor Jake Sullivan. It lays out a path for international cooperation on AI, including to promote equitable access, manage AI risks, protect privacy, guard against misuse, and prevent exacerbated bias and discrimination. International AI regulation efforts grow. This UN resolution follows other worldwide moves to control the fast-growing AI industry over ethics and security. The 27-nation EU just passed the AI Act to regulate AI risk-basedly. Major IT giants are also under investigation for AI antitrust violations. Last year, U.S. President Biden signed an executive order establishing a national AI plan for safety and security. As AI technology advances, the UN resolution pledges to ensure its ethical and global benefits. Developed with civil society and private sector experts, the resolution squarely addresses the priorities of many developing countries, such as AI capacity building and harnessing technology for sustainable development, said Sullivan. Critically, the resolution states that AI system development and usage must prioritize human rights and fundamental freedoms. You can be part of the next global AI giant Onpassive to use and market the next generation AI tools. Simply register for free at www.coolzone.ai.